When is a good time to see bare areas in my fescue lawn? And this is from Bob. So we're talking about bare areas in fescue, which is a
cool season.
Right.
There's cool season grass, and normally cool season grass start growing in the fall of the year. And you don't try to do any seeding, though you need to do it in the fall of the year when that grass begin to actually grow, and that's in the fall of the year when they be doing that. And you're going to see if it's a small area, you can maybe give them a little garden rake or something and rake that area up in real good and just and loosen that soil up some. Then you come in and sow your seeds in there, and you try to keep those seeds moist in there. You might want to cover with some hay or straw or something in there. You might cover those seeds over there and keep it moist. Now, if you've got a large area now that in the yard there, you might want to get your little small tiller and till it up a little bit and loosen that soil up a little bit. Then sow your seeds in there. So you got to come and contact some good soil. And it'd be a good time while he's doing that, just, let's say, to check that soil pH in there while he's doing that in there in that area. Now, fescue, you might do that more than one time to oversee that to get it kind of thick like you wanted to get it.
And we're talking about fescue here in the South.
In the South, yeah, in the South, yeah.
Okay. So it does grow here, but
yeah, it'll grow here and start, like here in the South, and normally start growing probably in September sometime when you get grass, get cool grass when it begin to grow. So he want to do his seed then in there, so he get ready to catch on. Then he might want to come back in again sometime like in March and oversee it again, then we get that area really in there. For that fescue. But that's the best time to do that. You see that in there. So yep, he can get it to going back again.
Get it going again. And fescue does need a lot of water.
A lot of water,
in the South.
Cause a lot of times it be under trees and need more water.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.